G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be pulling down this Canon EFS 18x200 zoom lens. It went under about 4 meters of floodwater, so it's completely fogged. It is just fogged up to the shit. Absolutely useless. The choices are throw it in the bin, take it and go and get it worked on, which will probably cost more than what the bastard would be to buy second hand, or pull the prick down, show you what's inside and have a go at fixing it. And you know what I always say, right? It's fucked, you can't fuck it anymore. So let's give it a go, shall we? This was actually quite a nice lens. I have put it under the tap and scrubbed the shit out of it. Not out of it, but scrubbed off it. You'll still see there's bits of mud still on it. When I bring this up before, it was totally covered in mud. Scrubbed it, so I wasn't putting shit all over my hands. That's about it. So, alright. Let's give it a go, I guess. It comes out like that. Alright. Well, we're about to do a test on how this sounds, anyway, how the microphone sounds on this camera, because I've never used it before. Weird, eh? Alright. Now, first thing we need to do is we need to get a little tiny baby Phillips screwdriver, and we need a little tiny baby Phillips screwdriver for these little bastards here. So let's put on some goggles so I can see what the smeg I'm doing, and I reckon probably something that looks like that should be the go. Yeah, that seems to fit. Let's see. Okay, that's funny because I was just looking in my monitor on the camera and on the little flip out screen, and I was thinking, yeah, it doesn't really look, it's like not very well in focus. That doesn't look very focused. And I just put on some glasses and I'm like, holy shit, that's clear. Fucking hell, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Come on. I hate this fucking screwdriver. It is such a piece of crap. It really is. And that's not a very good tip either. Need a sharper one. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a lot. Look, that's how much deeper it is. It actually sits in there properly. That's much better. These pieces of crap don't even have magnetic tips or anything. Don't buy a wile stick, try. They're such a piece of garbage. Hope the bloody audio on this thing's okay. If it's absolutely freaking horrible, then I guess I'm just going to be putting some music or something over the top. What do I need? Tweezers. When do I need it? Now! Okay. Either these are really, really big tweezers or they're tiny, tiny little screws. Where did I just put that one before? There. Might be wise to put them somewhere else, eh? Can't even pick the friggin' things up, they're so small. God damn it. go for a smaller set of tweezers. I'm going to have to point the fan at me, it's bloody hot. That's pretty damn bad when you're in a room with the air conditioning on and you've still got to have the fan pointed at you at the same time. Now, there's some more little tiny bastard screws right in the side here. That little tiny bugger right there. Oh, excuse pigs. Hopefully I'll remember to edit that. Did that come undone? I think it did. No, I don't think it did. That did not come undone. I think I need an even smaller tip. Well, I'm going to use a flat tip. Try and get in this little thing. Is that the polite way of saying it? Nope, and it just broke the tip off the screwdriver. Or did it? No, it just broke the fucking... No, what did it do? Yeah, it broke the screwdriver. That's how friggin' tight that thing is. It just broke the tip off the screwdriver. Okay. Let's try a different one. No, I just literally broke the tip completely off the screwdriver. You're fucking joking. And it's actually now inside that screw. What a cow. The tip of the screwdriver is in the effing screw. God. Okay, so I'm gonna be off camera for a minute, I think, while I try and undo that effing screw. Yep. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, well, this is every damn screwdriver, decent screwdriver I've got left in the house, so if none of these work, I'm screwed. I'm gonna Yeah, if none of these work, I'll be absolutely screwed. I'll have to try something totally different. Is that going to even fit in? Nope, it's not even going to fit in that one. Dear oh dear, so this is going to be way too big as well. Also, it's got an amazing little point on it. Nope. It leaves me an electrical screwdriver and it's too big as well. Right. The only thing I've got left now is these, which I got out of the flood bin in the garage that I have not cleaned and recycled and shit yet. Oh, great. All rusted in. Oh, brilliant. Oh, I'm going to be screwed. Nope, did nothing. Come on, you bitch. Oh, I think it turned. Oh, it turned. Amazing. There it goes. Oh, it snapped off, I think. It's fucking short. Did that snap off or not? I'm not going to be able to tell until I put it under a bloody proper magnifying glass or something. It looks like it did. Oh, there's another fucking little screw in there too. Oh, and another one. Oh, no way. Oh, Christ. I'm not going to be able to get them out, I don't think. I don't know if they're anything like the last one. Okay, got him out. How freaking small that is. Ridiculous. Yay, macro. Okay. Oh yeah, cool. Nice one. Right. Ugh. There's dirt and shit on that. All the water in it. It's your ring. Okay, so put my binoculars on. So apparently you put your little thing in the hole here and pull it. There you go. Right like that. And we can remove this ring, maybe. probably stuck on. Little button stuck, I think. Aha, there you go. That last one had a bit of was a gold colour. Oh yeah, that's too. Actually, it's more of a nickel colour. Those two are like a more of a goldy type. So I'm next going to remove this little bastard here. Focus, you fucker. Thank you. Oh, it's my glasses. Never mind. Piss off, fly. What's that little bugger? Put him over there as well. Now, this should almost come out. Let's get the shit out of me. I would like something a little better than those tweezers to pull that cable out with. That might be nice. Let's try that. It's just a little round peg. And no, it's just a minute, tiny little bit too big. Bloody hell, you bugger. Okay, let's see if this one is small. Get out. Small enough. No, just that, like a bee's dick too big. The only other thing I've got, I've got that one. That one should go in. Yep. So we're just going to put him in there and just pull out like that. There we go. Yeah, look, tiny little motor. He's probably going to be rooted. We rusted to pieces, maybe, I don't know. Let's try and spin him. There you go. He's spinning. There's a lot of water in there. Oh no. Don't know if this will ever see the light of day again. Even probably replacing that is probably worth more than buying one of these second hand. Well, let's keep going. Oh, it's stiff. We're not surprised. So just going to take this little tiny screw out. This little bugger here. It's a pretty long one too. Geez, that's stiff. It's got corrosion on it. Oh man, change this back. Oh, they are so freaking hard to get out. That one was alright. Bits of crap. What's this? It's a bit of plastic. That is some kind of little tiny little friggin' shelf thing, something, I don't bloody know. Put the bastard over there, I don't know where it came out of. Couple of drips on the chips, bit of dirt on the PVC. Go over there. Oh, look at all this. Doesn't this look fun? Look, there's another one of those. They're like little things that sit in those bits. Interesting. They're going to be fun to put back together, aren't they? Doesn't seem to be one there. And there's not one there left either. I've fallen down inside of it. Don't see none there. Nope. Oh, he might turn up as we go along. Maybe. Okay. Now, to me it looks like undo all those ones there, those little red ones here, all these. But that's going to need to come off because that's sitting on the top of it, I think. I don't see a join, that seems like it's one piece from there back. So that bit, oh no, the whole lot should come off with that on it, I think, yeah. Let's see, shall we? So apparently the next step is you've got to remove the franger, like such. Not as easy as I first thought. On the pictures on the internet they made it look easier. Probably doesn't help, it's still moist. Well, it's either moist and cleanish or dry and very muddy. Now, weird. Stay. Now it's stuck to my damn fingers. Get off. Waiting for a warrant. Tiny little bugger. Fucking lens goes to roll off the table. The hell is that? I reckon instead of undoing all that shit, I might just try and get the center out. That was clever. And two. Third one is still in there. So that just sat facing up that way. Try and see through there.
What were you doing just then?
Well, it's far away.
Because the light in the kitchen was going on and off. I thought you might have been doing something with power in there.
What?
It is, but it's going up and down.
Could you bring me a bit of shit paper, please? Thank you. Okay, well that lens is clear. There you go, Macro City. It's dirty, but clear. So, let's sit that down there like that. So that one sat facing upwards, and the next one in there is facing down. that way. That screwdriver's not going to work. Oh, for fuck's sake. Get out. This one might work. Yep. That one got it anyway. Really got to try not to strip these fuckers. Come on. That's got him. Nice. There seems to be a little flappy thing over top. Oh, and they look like, oh, they've got tiny little washers on them too. Next one. So that goes in this way, right like that. It can only go in one way. Have a good look at that. Macro it. And I'll lay that bitch down there, like such. Right. There's another little lens, and the little rivets go upwards, because on this side there is no rivets, it's plain. And I'm not sure. Friggin' fly. Fuck off. Fuck, I hate flies. See, I only just took it out of there and now I can't work out how to put the fucker back in. That one actually goes inside there. Absolutely tiny little son of a bitches. Bitch. Fucking broke it. Fucking cunt. That's a piss off, that is. Fuck. Okay, so this lines up only one way on these things. Turn it around, pull it off. And that's that one. It's a little tiny friggin' tab there and I don't even know what that's off. It's just sitting there. There's another one. There's the third one. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, and there's another one of those. Found that. I found the other one, the third one of those. Okay. Now, what are we doing? So it's making it so this will never come apart again. Never go back together again. Ow, that hurt. Well, I put all this stuff, most of it anyway, the lenses and stuff, in the fuck me. So I put all these lenses last night in the ultrasonic cleaner, and well, unfortunately, so they've still got several lenses joined together. Is this fucking thing gonna focus for us or what? So, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but there's actually liquid still in between lenses. I didn't realise that there's still several twin lenses joined together. There's one there, there's another one here, still got water literally floating around in it. Well, it's not water, it's fucking alcohol. It will eventually dry, but it's going to leave a stain in there because you can actually see the water's discoloured. The alcohol is discoloured from the dirt. Here's another one. So all these fucking lenses. So that's the end, and this one here, you can actually see that it's had, like, they're glued together, and you can actually see in person, I don't know about on camera, but it's starting to glaze in there. You get, like, the glue is starting to separate or whatever, and you can literally see, there you go, look, see those? Right there. So there's nothing I can fucking do. It's rooted, and to tell you the truth, even if it wasn't, I really don't think I could get this bastard back together again. There is... holy crap, man. Like, you know, I'm pretty reasonable at pulling shit apart and putting it back together again. I reckon I've fixed more things than you could possibly fucking name in your entire life, but holy dooly, mate. These things with these little tiny fucking screws and shit. Well, it's not the fact they've got little screws, because I bloody fix iPhones and shit all the time, and iPads, and yeah, it's more the fact that all these mechanical bits And there was still bits falling out of this thing that I didn't even know where the hell were coming from. Like, here's a tiny, tiny little fucking washer, and I have no clue where that came from. So, yeah, fuck it. And you got these little fucking things. Look at these. I don't even know where they come from either. So, it all sucks. Just gonna have to buy one. They're $200. So, yeah, shame. I really fucking hate bloody not being able to fix shit. I hate wasting stuff, throwing it out. I'll keep this as a magnifying glass, and the rest of these are just about related, really. So. Try and make myself a telescope. But it's no good for a lens. It's probably not going to be much good for a telescope either, is it? I just can't pull them apart. There is nothing to pull apart with there. They're like glued together, but they're leaking. This one here I think will come apart. I think this is in 2 bits just there. But that doesn't save the crazing of this, no matter how much you clean it. So we'll clean the crap out of it. It looks nice from the camera like that, but unfortunately you can see the lens actually separating from the other lens inside, like all along this board. There you go. Here you can see that there. Look at that. There you go. Yeah. Shame. That's that flood water. I don't know what the fuck's in that flood water, but obviously a shitload of chemicals. Because it fucking strips PCB boards, it's stripped the paint off my car, it's eaten the rubber from around the windscreen, it's fucking like all the reflectors in my headlights and shit like that, they're all fucking been eaten out. It just, yeah, it eats chrome and stuff and just dissolves fucking anything it touches basically. And I spent 2 fucking months playing in it, so yeah. Oh well, that's it. Alright, well, until next time, we'll see you later. Be good, be safe, and have a good one. Ciao, ciao.